Yo, what's up everybody? It's pretty early in the morning right now. I only got like 3 hours of sleep. And the homie Lawrence rolled through. Guess he wanted some help cutting his pipe, but I'm not really doing much help, you know, just kinda chilling and him do all the work, but I helped him get the tools from the youth. So we're gonna be seeing what he's doing with his exhaust, what he's cutting off right now.
What's up?
Oh, I'm talking about you cutting your exhaust off.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it, and then later I'll go take it to get some custom pipe bent. It's gonna be all straight piped from the cat back, and then next year it'll be a classic, so I won't have to run a catalytic converter. I'll just throw headers on it. If they don't make headers, I'm gonna try to find someone that could customly make them for a turbo header, and then I'm gonna run the turbo in it. That's pretty much it. This fucker just must be thick as fuck right here or something. Ugh. Fuck. I'm gonna take a break, man.
Go for it.
That piece of shit. Alright. Well, let me get this piece. Alright. Let's see how much. Probably like 15 pounds. Here's this, man. Let's see what it sounds like. It's gonna be loud as fuck.
Alright, don't rev it too much. Or don't rev it.
Don't rev it?
Yeah. What? Well, let's go in my car. Alright, so we're back. We got the battery in, but the girl at the place didn't give me the right screws for the battery, so my negative is a little loose on there. That's because of that. My bike keeps dying out when it moves too much. So right now we're gonna try to get the bike to all the way to Harley-Davidson so we can get an oil change and probably try to get some better screws for the battery so it could stop dying out. Alright, so we're like down the street from Harley-Davidson and the bike died on me. I'm having a hard time getting it to stay on. Like it turns over, goes a little bit, and dies. The main problem is this battery just keeps falling out. Yeah, see? Doesn't even want to turn over now. So I guess I'm just trying to wait a little bit. See if I can move the battery around, get it going again. Alright, so we are back at the house now. Got the oil change, but they didn't have a bolt to fit the battery, they said. So I guess my battery's aftermarket, and they said none of their screws or bolts, whatever, fit on it. So kind of got stuck with it, but they at least tie in it, so at least able to make it home pretty easy. But now I gotta go back to Cycle Gear and go try to get the right bolts and everything. So I guess this is the end of the vlog. We'll probably have some more stuff on the bike later. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget, we're gonna be giving away the truck at 50K subscribers.